Hey everyone, okay, so I have my LaLa Land, and let's see what month this is from, because I've had it in my pile to unbox for a while. So let's see. In fact, I think the next one shipped. So, this is different. Oh wait, no, I just didn't realize it was so. This one is May. Oop, May. This is May's, and this was Marcy. What was it? Marcy Picnic. Oh, how cute. It's a picnic one. So look how big they are. I love them so much. Oh, look at the picnic table. Picnic table, picnic basket, and the wine bottle, the watermelon, loaf of bread, grapes, and wine and cheese. Ah, cute. And the tablecloth. I love it. So super cute. $49.95 I think it is. So $50 a month. That includes shipping. And you get that one. Okay, so then we have Stamps of Life. So I don't know what month. This may be May's also. Let's see. Oh no, this is June's. This is June. So it is a sand dollar. That's the little samples. Oh wow, that's big. That's pretty. That's the sand dollar. How cute. And then the sand dollar stencils. How cute. Okay. Super cute. And then we have the Fold It Club, which I'm still a part of. I don't know if I'm going to cancel it. I don't know. But it was, it's like 50 bucks, so it's expensive, but I don't know yet. So it is going to be a cake slice, or in candles and stencil. So let's see, and then we get a freebie, which is a cake stencil. Wait, this isn't the Fold It. Oh, this is the Fold It. The sand dollar was the Fold It. Oh, okay, got it. Oh, okay, sand dollar is the Fold It. I didn't catch that. Okay, so this is the regular Stamp Club. There we go. Which I love the Stamp Club, and I think it's like $26.95 now. It went up in price, but you know, they had to, because everything is. And then the coordinating die. I love this set. These are just, I love their stuff. I love this is my favorite. Getting these are my favorite. The Fold Its, I'm like, because they're so expensive. But, you know, it is what it is. Alright guys, that's it for that. Thank you. Bye.